Good morning. It's an honor and a pleasure to speak to you today. I would like to thank our friend Yifen He for the invitation to represent Centre at this unique event. Yifen has demonstrated an exceptional vision for the future and very much aligned with what I believe to be the tremendous power of blockchain technology. This conference and its participants are emblematic of the remarkable opportunities for future growth of blockchain and technological interoperability. I look forward to the potential partnerships and innovations that will grow from today's exchange of ideas. My name is John Shipman and I am the Chief Commercial Officer of Centre. I'm presenting today on behalf of our CEO, David Puth, who was unable to join us but sends his best regards to today's organisers and attendees. Before joining as Centre's first employee in December 2020, David served as the CEO of CLS Group, a designated systematically important financial market utility and one of the world's largest payments and settlements companies. While at CLS, he witnessed the critical importance of secure payment systems for the global economy, while also seeing the opportunity for change and innovation. Centre first took shape in 2018 under the guidance of founding members Circle and Coinbase, with a mission that it still carries today, to serve as the governance and standards organisation for a global network of stablecoins on public permissionless blockchains. Its first offering, USDC, has quickly become the most trusted stablecoin in the broad crypto market. In the short period of time since Centre's launch, stablecoins have gone from something of a curiosity to providing the backbone for the crypto financial ecosystem. However, it's notable that stablecoins are not yet accepted everywhere in the world, including in China, where the government has warned of the risks associated with fiat-backed tokens. These risks include a lack of transparency of the reserves underpinning stablecoins and the liquidity of those reserves. In other words, the ability of users to redeem their stablecoins when needed. The Chinese government is also concerned about the use of stablecoins for illicit purposes. Centre is working to address those risks. While stablecoins currently operate primarily on Ethereum and on the Tron blockchains and are denominated in dollars, there are an increasing number of chains being integrated with stablecoins. Unlike Bitcoin or XRP, their price is not volatile and remains pegged to the value of a particular currency. Stablecoins allow users to take any financial transaction for which they might ordinarily use cash or credit card and perform that transfer on the blockchain at the speed of the internet and at minimal cost. US dollar denominated stablecoins in particular have experienced tremendous growth. There were roughly 1.4 billion worth of stablecoins in circulation in January 2018. Today, that number is 130 billion. Of course, not all of this is USDC, but there are now 30 billion of USDC in circulation, up from just 2 billion a year ago. There are other popular stablecoins on the market, and there are reasons why one might choose to transact with them, but USDC's unique architecture with an emphasis on open source, interoperability, and reputation for trust and transparency has allowed its growth to outpace that of others. The past year in particular, as the general market trend has seen a surge of interest in cryptocurrencies, USDC has increased adoption as new and experienced users look for ways to send and store their assets around the world at the speed of the internet. Centre, our commitment to build on public permissionless blockchain technology allows Centre standard stablecoins to provide a framework for potential partners and issuers to interact with the largest number of possible participants while still operating within a structure that ensures transactional security and transparency. These fundamentals allow us to collaborate on a number of fronts with crypto-native companies, traditional institutions, and our global community as a whole as we work to create a financial network for the future. We are increasingly a digital society. It's only fitting that we should have a digital economy that suits our needs. And much like our existing economy, this new crypto economy will have a wide variety of participants at every level. If you were to ask a person on the street to open their wallet, you might expect them to provide a combination of credit cards, debit cards, bills, maybe even a gift card or two. Much in the same way, our digital wallets will be populated with a variety of crypto payment options, including both stablecoins and central bank digital reserve currencies. These two payment rails can quite easily coexist as their use cases might be slightly different, but their utility is equally valuable. While stablecoins have already firmly entrenched themselves as an essential component of the crypto economy, most notably within DeFi and on trading platforms, CBDCs are better suited to civic needs, such as delivering payments directly to citizens in real time. It's notable that China has been the first country to successfully deploy a central bank digital currency. Furthermore, there is ongoing work, notably by some participants in today's conference, to ensure that in the future there will be interoperability between stablecoins and a central bank digital currency. It's important that they do not run in parallel to each other, but the users are able to access and transfer those assets in an interoperable manner wherever they are. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies in general, and stablecoins in particular, remains uncertain in most jurisdictions, as it does in China today. Currently in the US, regulations governing the use of cryptocurrency are made almost entirely at the state level. However, given the enormous increase in usage, there are multiple regulatory bodies at a national level that would seek to exert control over different areas of the industry, each with a different outcome in mind. We expect and welcome regulation of stablecoins and acknowledge that not all stablecoins will be able to meet the necessary requirements. At Centre, though, part of our role is to anticipate regulation through our standards. It can provide protection for investors and from bad actors. But regulation at the expense of innovation and without proper education can be detrimental to our nascent industry. Centre, along with our colleagues at Circle and Coinbase, welcome the opportunity to engage with regulators and government officials as we look to build a mutually beneficial environment for all stakeholders. Centre, as an independent organisation, has the unique opportunity to provide guidelines for stablecoin issuance, and through thoughtful study and community collaboration has enabled trust in digital dollar currencies. Centre's standards, first introduced in 2018, have evolved and continue to evolve to meet the needs of the ever-shifting crypto landscape, but remain rooted in the core values of trust, compliance and transparency. All issuers of Centre standard stablecoins must be regulated institutions, and we have always retained a firm focus on meeting AML and KYC requirements. While other projects may make claims to the degree to which they are transparent or regulated or fully reserved, the fact remains that USDC has been all of those things since its creation. One of the world's top accounting firms, Grant Thornton, provides monthly attestations confirming that USDC is supported at least one-to-one with dollar instruments. These attestations are available on our website. All reserves back in USDC are held in cash, cash equivalents, and short-term treasuries. We believe this is the direction regulators will want all stablecoins to operate, and this has been Centre's model from the outset. It's also how we'll continue to operate as we expand the Centre network into additional fiat-backed currencies. We're currently making significant progress with projects across 4 continents to introduce stablecoins for their respective currencies, modelled on USDC, built on public permissionless blockchains, totally interoperable and fully reserved. This growth of our Centre stablecoin network not only serves to support our vision of being multi-chain and multi-currency, but works in tandem with our objectives to develop more active use cases for Centre stablecoins as payment mechanisms. As I mentioned previously, stablecoins allow users to perform any real-world financial transaction on the blockchain in a faster, cheaper, and more transparent manner, and the proposition of being able to transact in a native currency only increases this worldwide appeal. Every day there are new opportunities for crypto and stablecoin applications emerging, whether in DeFi, NFT, or remittances, and now in payments in many forms. As we open up membership in our consortium to inclusion beyond our founding members of Coinbase and Circle, we look forward to discovering even more. We're in the process of refining our membership and look forward to offering opportunities for participation at every level. The nature of crypto is such that not only allows but necessitates cooperation and inclusion. We firmly believe that our standards and our network will grow stronger as a result of contributions of a global interconnected membership. So thanks so much for the opportunity to speak to you today. I hope that this has increased your interest in stablecoins and the proposition of open permissionless protocols. Centre is open to conversation and partnerships, and we look forward to hearing from you in the near future. Thanks very much.